All right, hey everybody, this is John and welcome to the free video. And let's just dive in. This is a question I got today on CROX, and it's like, all right, is it time to buy it again? I bring this one up because it looks like a lot of patterns that are out there where we had, a good run, we had a spike up with the last squeeze that set up, and then we kind of fell off. And so the question is, from here, are we rallying to new highs? Or, is this the start of something different? And what I'm looking at here is that this is the start of something different in terms of I'm looking for a continuation of a series of lower highs and lower lows for about the next 4 weeks, give or take. So I do think we have more downside here. I think any rallies to the 21 EMA are shorting opportunities. All right, so what are other stocks that fit this bill? All right, well, Amazon. Amazon's a great company. I've made a lot of money trading Amazon on the long side, but I am not touching it on the long side here with a 10-foot pole. We are working our way back to the mean. Pathetically, I might add. Okay, the Nasdaq was up 2% today, and we're up 0.63% on Amazon. To me, this is this magnet down here at the very least at 3110 on the fire line is the target for Amazon, but I think we'll be able to get more than that. So what I'm looking for over the next 3 to 4 weeks, so let's say into mid-November, and I know Amazon has earnings coming up. You can see what happened last earnings, but I'm looking for stocks in general to roll over next week and continue selling off. Does that mean all stocks will sell off? No. I mean, there's some stocks here like Upstart, any stocks here that are making 52-week highs. They obviously don't care about the indexes. But remember, so go the indexes, so go 90% of the boats in the sea. Okay, it's going to drag them along. So I'd just be a little careful here on the long side. If this thing is going to roll over, it's going to start mid next week, and we could see some very serious selling, and I'm planning on setting up positions tomorrow in the trading room to take advantage of that. All right, hope it helps. You guys have a good one, and we'll see you at the next update.
Hey, John here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below and let us know what topic you want to see us cover next. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release new videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com and learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you next time.